Namaste everyone. My name is Hitendra and I have been teaching Hindi from past 5 years. I have helped countless students to reach Hindi fluency. Today we'll be talking about 10 words, and if you know these words, it means your Hindi is excellent. If you know these 10 words, it means that you speak better Hindi than 70% of the people in the world. In other words, you are almost a Hindi vocab pro. So here is how it is going to work. We will start with some easy words and then we will build ourselves up towards to the difficult words. So let's find out how many of these words you actually know. First word we have is bura. Bura. Bura in Hindi means bad. Here it is in context. मेरा दिन बहुत बुरा था. मेरा दिन बहुत बुरा था. My day was very bad. The second word we have is कभी कभी. कभी कभी, which means sometimes. In context it would be मैं कभी कभी टेनिस खेलता हूँ for masculine. मैं कभी कभी टेनिस खेलती हूँ for feminine, which means I play tennis sometimes. Kabhi kabhi is a frequency form which tells us about the frequency of an action. The third word we have is बहुत. बहुत. बहुत means very. In context it would be वो बहुत खूबसूरत है. वो बहुत खूबसूरत है, which means she is very beautiful. The fourth word we have is ज़रूरत. ज़रूरत. ज़रूरत in Hindi means need. Need. Here it is in context. मुझे कुछ खाने की ज़रूरत है. मुझे कुछ खाने की ज़रूरत है, which means I need to eat something. From now on, the difficulty is going to rise up a bit. So the fifth word that we have is alag. Alag. Alag in Hindi means different. मेरी किताब थोड़ी अलग है. मेरी किताब थोड़ी अलग है. My book is a bit different. If you knew this word, it means that you have a very good command on vocabulary in Hindi. Which brings us to our sixth word, which is dard. Dard. Dard in Hindi is pain. मेरे हाथ में बहुत दर्द है. मेरे हाथ में बहुत दर्द है. There is a lot of pain in my hand. Seventh word that we have is कीमत. कीमत. Now this is a hard word, and कीमत in Hindi means price or a value of something. इस कुर्सी की क्या कीमत है? इस कुर्सी की क्या कीमत है? What is the price of this chair? What is the price of this chair? And as you can see, this is used in a context of price. In a context of value, it would be आपकी क्या कीमत है? आपकी क्या कीमत है? Which would be what is your value? So कीमत means two things in Hindi: value and price. So it could be price of something, something that you want to buy, or it could be value of something, like a person or an animal. The eighth word we have is पास में. Now this one is a bit hard. पास में, which means nearby. मेरा घर पास में है. मेरा घर पास में है. My house is nearby. The ninth word that we have is, not a lot of people know this word if you're learning Hindi. And if you know this word, it means you are very good in vocabulary in Hindi. And that word is cheese. Kind of like the English cheese pronunciation, but you say cheese. Cheese rather than cheese. 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 Actually, now that I think about it, it sounds the same actually. But yes, cheese or cheese. If you can't tell any difference, then there is not. You could think it like this, that cheese is, the English cheese would be CHEESE, and the Hindi cheese is CHEEZ or Z, depend on where you live. Now, cheese means things. Things. In context, it means क्या आप आपकी चीज लेकर घर गए थे? क्या आप आपकी चीज लेकर घर गए थे? Which means, did you go home after taking your things? Did you go home after taking your things? The 10th and the last word that we have is a emotion, a feeling, which is gussa. Now you might have heard of this one. Gussa. Gussa in Hindi is anger. In context, it would be वो मुझ पर बहुत गुस्सा है, वो मुझ पर बहुत गुस्सा है, which means he is very angry on me. He is very angry on me. If you already knew them, it means you have a very good vocabulary level. If you did not know them, no need to get discouraged. That just means that you learned something new today. These words with friends or family or anyone that you are trying to speak Hindi with. And if you do not have anyone, then how to approach strangers. I have made a video on this, how to approach strangers in Hindi. You can check this video out. How many of them you got right or how many of them you already knew? You can let me know in the comments. And that is it for today. I would really love if you could subscribe, like or comment. That would really help me and this channel. And I will see you in the next one.